Whatever your job is, your ability to think on your feet is crucial to your success. Practice innovative thinking all day long. You do that by questioning yourself. What am I doing? How am I doing it? And why am I doing it? Challenge yourself to find superior ways of doing your job. This attitude will prepare you for times when you're criticized, but you must, for sure, keep your ego under control so that when someone condemns your proposal in a meeting, you don't have to get caught up in defending yourself. Instead, you will take a deep breath, relax, and open up to new ideas. This attitude will not only enhance your accomplishments, but it will make you look good, like a person of quality. I'm Dr. Kenneth.